evening, my name is DEEPAK and I'm from IIHM Delhi, International Institute of Hotel Management Delhi, and today I will be demonstrating to you the grilled fish with mustard sauce, and we will be serving it along with the roasted potato. The ingredients which we will be using is the chopped garlic, thyme, powdered ginger, basil, mixed spice, CAJUN spice, along with olives, mustard, which we have grinded by ourselves and fermented by ourselves. We have jalapenos, chilies, we have ginger, a little bit of cream to make a mustard sauce, along with the lemon to garnish it. We have already washed out our potatoes, and we have put it in a bit of salt along with a bit of thyme. We want to put a little bit extra thyme, and we will be putting in the oven at a temperature of 180 degrees for 30 minutes. And what we're going to do, we're going to put a bit of CAJUN on it. I'm adding a salt, a bit of garlic powder. The point in garlic powder when we are mixing on it, it's to enhance the flavor. And just to add up a little bit extra hint to it, I'm putting a CAJUN spice on it. All the time you have to remember one thing: when you are cooking the fish, you have to consider one thing. That thing is that you have to cook the side of the fish which you want to present. With the skin side, if I am going to cook it, I will put the skin side down first over the grill pan. I will take the fish and I will put the downside first. Little in the fish. When you cook the fish, you have to just wait and relax. You have to see and understand how big is your fish steak or the fish protein which you want to cook it out. So what you have to do, you have to just take it out and turn it around in some corner so that the oil goes everywhere. Some of the time it is really good if you take this oil and you put the oil on top of it so that the hot oil sears out. Right, so this is generally technique what we do. Now my pan is fried. You will see that my fish moves on its own. I don't have to use a force to do the fish. So the proper heat, proper temperature, the pan will itself move on its own, and there will be grilling on the side. Grilling doesn't mean marks. Grilling is just a technique. You might see the grill marks on the food, but it is not necessary for any grill food to have the grill marks. So I will turn it around only 3 times. I will let it cook, and if you can see the fish is getting cooked up, you can see all the sides visibly are changing out, and when the fish is visibly changing out, the color or the flesh of the fish is totally changed out. So you can see that there is already char grilled on it. I am not saying to char grill, I mean like a little bit of good gravy mass which is already going into the fish. Now I am closing it out, and the fish has cooked on its own. I will let it be on the pan for the reason that the fish is left over in the pan. The fish skin on the downside will get crispy. I will be showing you how to make a mustard sauce. What we are making over here today is a mustard sauce with a little bit of cream. You might name it like cream of mustard sauce. The fish taste doesn't go because butter has a very pronounced flavor while you are cooking the thing in the butter. So I'm putting a bit of olive oil because fish has natural oil, and that oil has come. So I will take the oil from my pan itself so that the juices or the fish flavor comes over in the oil that I'm using. So what I will do, I will just take my oil from this pan and I I will transfer it to this pan for cooking. You can say it's a technique with which you can really make the dish. So I will take something around 4-5 grams of garlic, cook it out a little bit. I do not want to make it brown. I will just saute it out, and I will take my mustard. Now what I am doing over there, I am putting a pinch of thyme over it. This is a dried thyme, so if I want to extract the flavor out of this thyme, I have to cook it beforehand. I will take my Dijon mustard and put approximately 3 spoons. This is a 5 to 7 gram spoon. I will take it off the heat and cook it. There are a lot of versions of this type of sauce. You might check on the internet. There are a lot of versions. Some people do not try to cook it out. But for the reason, some of the time what happens, there are bacteria and toxins in the food. So what we have done, we have tried to cook it out. This is cooking cream, and this is not half and half. This is a heavy cream which we use for cooking. So I will incorporate the sauce at a slow fire. If I will try to make the heat up my sauce, it can coagulate. So what can happen? There is a curdling, and believe me, I don't want to make here something which is called a scrambled egg, where it is all scrambled out. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to cook it at a very low flame. Right? So this is what we are doing in the simmering process. Do not feel shy if you have to taste your dish 3 times to put in the salt. Usually, what the student needs to understand that how much salt is going in the dish. So do not overemphasize the salt, but salt should have a minimum threshold so that your tongue can really feel it out. So, a little bit of salt over in it. That's it. We have added the thyme already, so it will show the magic effect already. A little bit more, I felt like the less pungency of the mustard, so I'm putting like this my spoon now, but I have put in it. Shake it up. The sauce generally, when we calculate, we check the back of the spoon, and it should go to the back of the spoon and goes down. So this is like more of a dip sauce. I will check my roasted bread. Just this. If you can see, the roasted potatoes are almost full done. You don't need to cook it anymore. So what we can do is put it aside. So we will put the fish over there.
IIHM. For a great hospitality career, call 9310 50,000.